In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage references in an asset tracker sheet in Smartsheet. To follow along, start by opening your asset tracker sheet in Smartsheet. Make sure you're logged into your account, then navigate to the sheet just like you normally would, either from your recent list or from your workspace. Once the grid view loads, you should see a list of your assets laid out in rows with different columns for details like name, status, owner, and so on. Next, locate the row for Asset F. This might be one item in a larger list of assets you're tracking, so you can either scroll through the sheet or use the search function in Smartsheet to find it more quickly. When you see Asset F, click directly on that row to select it. This focuses your actions on that particular asset so that anything you do next is tied to this specific record. With Asset F selected, look for the option to manage references. Usually, this will appear in a context menu or in the right-click options. Click on Manage References. This opens a window where you can see and control how this asset is connected to other sheets and cells. Inside the Manage References window, start by going to the section labeled Cross-Sheet References. Click on that. Cross-sheet references are connections that pull data from or send data to other sheets, which is really helpful when you have information spread across multiple places but want it to stay in sync. In this view, click on the highlighted reference that you want to inspect. This lets you see details of that specific reference, such as what sheet it's tied to and what range of cells it covers. From here, you can make adjustments if needed. If you realize you don't want to make any changes right now, go ahead and click the Create button to see what your options are, then click Cancel to close without saving anything new. This is a safe way to explore without affecting your existing setup. Now, let's look at cell link references. Back in the sheet, click on Asset F again to reselect that row. Open Manage References once more, just like you did before. This time, choose the Cell Link References section. Cell links are more direct connections from one specific cell to another, often used when you want one value to always mirror a value somewhere else. Again, click on the highlighted reference to review it. Then, switch to the All References view. This combines what you've just seen into one place so you can quickly review every type of reference tied to Asset F. Use this view to confirm everything is set up correctly and to keep your asset tracker clean, organized, and accurately connected across your Smartsheet environment.